just want to take the pillow and then you can sit back. So either with your toes flat or with your toes tucked. If that's not high enough, fold your pillow in half and then just sit back and come back up. So you might just want to gently load the toes, but again, don't go too fast, don't go too hard. Those are quite delicate structures, and they, you know, they might be quite sore if you do that for too long, or if you do too many repetitions. So what you then want to do once you manage to do that is you want to be able to bring one leg through. So try not to go around the houses to get that leg through. See if you can just get it all the way through with your foot nicely flexed, the other toes tucked, and then if you need to use the support of a piece of furniture, push with your leg and push with your hands to be able to stand up. Now in order to sit down, you want to do just the reverse of that. So you want to hold onto your piece of furniture, tuck the toe to help lower yourself down nice and gently, and then you can sit down into any position that you like. So it's really important that you don't crash down. That's how you're going to end up hurting yourself. So if you are coming down, I'd suggest that you land very lightly, nice and easily, and then come back down onto the ground. So you can sit in any position that you like. You might even want to sit cross-legged. This might be your preferred position to sit in. If you find that you really tighten your hips and this is very uncomfortable, I would again encourage you just to build the floor up so that you can rest your legs on top of that until it does feel a bit more comfortable. You might even need to put something underneath your bottom, or whatever you need to do to be comfortable down there if you are going to do any exercises sitting down on the floor. And then again, when you come up, there are plenty of options. From this position, you could put one hand on the ground, you could swivel in order to stand up, yes. The same thing for coming down, you could cross your legs and you could just gently come down to the floor that way, if that feels more comfortable for you than going into the toe tuck in the Japanese style. So I hope that's helped you to understand how to get up and down off the floor safely, remembering to always tuck those toes and to use any support that you need to. You might even need to use your hands. That's absolutely fine. Do whatever you need to get down to the floor and to get up nice and safely. Thank you for joining me. Bye.